In this video, I would like to thank all the supporters to my channel and the interest they show on my work, but I think it's confusion about subscribing, and in this video, I like to make it clear to you all out there what subscribe means. First of all, it's free. Second reason, you only subscribe once and you receive notification every time I upload new videos. Third, share my videos. By sharing my videos, you help your friends and other people if you share on public to benefit as well. 4. Click the like button. I have noticed many of my viewers give me a like on my Facebook page. That's okay, but better click on the video. It will automatically open in YouTube. Give me a like in YouTube as well. It's so easy. How to subscribe? If you received my video on Facebook, just click on it. It will open automatically in YouTube. If you already subscribed, then just click on like and share. If you didn't subscribe yet, then also click on the subscribe button below the video on the right. It's so easy. Your response encourages me to continue making more videos for you to watch and enjoy. I must make it clear to you, I don't sell anything and I am not paid to promote any products or anything else. So subscribing yourself, it's free and you don't have to buy anything. I just do that because I want to pass my ideas to you, and maybe you can improve your knowledge on how to make your life better, taking advantage of what nature has to offer. That's the videos in the health category. I also have videos on learning Greek. Just imagine how much better your holiday will be when you visit Cyprus, Greece, or any other Greek island, and you can communicate with the locals in Greek. I remember 20 years ago, when I lived in Cyprus and had my own restaurant in Paphos, I had a customer that was coming every morning for the next 2 weeks for an English breakfast. The last day after he finished and paid the bill, he said to me, "I had a lovely time here in Cyprus, but most of all, I enjoyed my breakfast here in your restaurant and listening to this Greek song. Although I don't understand the words, but the tune is fantastic." I was so pleased to hear that, so I took the tape and gave it to him. We shake hands and I wished him a safe journey back to England. The following year, to my surprise, one morning he was sitting in my restaurant again having his breakfast. One of my waiters came and said to me, "One of the customers wants to see you." First thing that came to my mind was, oh dear, what went wrong first thing in the morning? But thank God it was nothing like that. I said hello to him, and to my surprise, he started speaking to me in Greek. I was shocked, and he said to me, "I liked it so much last year, so when I went back to England, I started night classes and learned Greek. So here I am, and my visit this time here is already getting better." I also have lots of videos on catering. The videos are detailed of how to make different Greek dishes step by step, so it's easy for you to follow the recipes and make your own cooking and enjoy a tasty lunch or dinner, and in many cases it's very easy to make. I have a couple of videos for holidays in Cyprus. This category I was meant to expand, but due to the coronavirus not being able to travel, I am not able to do so at this moment. Thank you again for your support, and I wish you all good health, and I see you in my next video. Start today with this video, subscribe and share. I will leave the link of my canal below this video. I leave you now in good health until my next video, and allow me to share with you a short clip of a small cruise I had last year when I visited Cyprus.